Okay, so AuxBeam sent me that guy right there, 881 bulb. I'm going to try this on a Polaris quad that takes an 886, but these are some LED light bulbs, the brightest they had in the 881. Check out what came with them here. Got some fighting happening in the background there. If I could focus, it's getting too dark already. Yeah, they're kind of fighting a bit. So, ooh, some nice vinyl decals. Have to stick those up on the sticker board. Some paperwork. I'll look at that in a bit. But here they are here. There's no kind of relay system or anything here to fool your system into thinking that you're running a normal bulbs. Of course, on the Polaris quad, it won't matter. So there's the model number, 9 to 32 volts, 8,000 lumens. Hey, that's going to be for the pair, I'm sure of it. You guys actually want to see what bulb they're using there. That's the number they gave, 880, 881. I don't know exactly the type of bulbs they use in there. Let's see here. Probably do some Google searching, find out what that is, but I'm going to guess they're going to be pretty bright. Now, will that connector fit? The fan cooled also? Huh. That might die after a while because of the dust on the trails, but I mean, to be honest, I don't know. Only a few ways to find out. You think they would be rated to handle a little bit of dust if they're being used on a vehicle. Are you scratching? I'm going to go give these a check out and see if they fit. I got to see if this plug's the same. That might be different there. But I mean, if they fit, they'll probably work. Okay, I'm also going to probably get a light bar or something for the Doom Buggy build. Okay, so how many bulbs are missing on this thing? That one there is broken. This one here is broken. This one here is the only one that works on this thing, or maybe actually it's the pod light's the only one that works. Try not to break those LEDs off. Now let's see what I got dangling down here. It looks like the same size plug connector. Yeah. Huh. Well, let's see what happens. Well, they're not going to fit this quad. I do got a broken bulb in there. But I might be able to make them fit, but I'd have to indent some stuff out. But, oh, actually I take that back. If they aim up high enough, they might fit fine. You know, actually that might be fine. It's just going to headlights forced to aim up. But I'm thinking here, vibrating like this, that's probably going to kill them in no time. We'll see. Well, there's a complete travel ban, but it ended at 5 o'clock. That's the fifth quad we already seen hitting the trails up. So yeah, 8 o'clock you're allowed to drive. Fire ban's only between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. So those bulbs are installed. You see them there. I will try to clean these a bit before I give it a beam shot. That one's a little crooked, so... Oh, no, that one is too. Nope, had to take it back. They're fine. It's just the way they're designed. See if they work in a few minutes, if it starts. Those are actually pretty bright. Whew. Those are pretty bright. Now, does my high beam work? Oh, Lee, with the bent bulb, it still works.
Wow.
Wow, actually on low beam, it actually lights my truck up. In the high beam, you don't even see it. High beam, you don't see. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have some fun tonight.
Mommy,
look. For you. Can I ride this thing?
Not yet. Hot check engine. I didn't even. Oh yeah, she has to be so hot. But it hasn't even been started and it's saying hot check engine. Maybe it's just a bad sensor. Huh, I noticed my starter was still engaged. Maybe she's letting herself. Gonna have to do this. Wah. Wah.
Get the helmet. I'm ready.
I see a nose. Oh, seen a nose. Now I see some feet. Well, we're just waiting for the sun to go down. You can see a little bit of dust and smoke in the air still. And oh, there's the hot light. Yeah, pretty hot. So I'm thinking that the water pump back up. Back there. Once that sun goes out, we'll make our video. Don't get your finger in there.
You really taking a video?
Yeah. Should have made Adam's kid do this when he was here.
Oh.
Too strong. Try another one. Those zip ties are actually not very fresh anymore. They only have about a year life span.
Really?
Yeah. Speedy goats, eh?
Hey, can I have some of those gummies that you guys didn't finish off? Or rest or make some?
Okay, so let's just give this a quick beam shot here. Wow, are those bright. Ooh. I hear the fans on the lights. Little fans on them. We're just gonna go for a quick ride here, and whew, those are bright. Camera's not even doing the justice right now how bright those are. Those are very bright. And the fan on the quad started working, and overheat light hasn't been on for a while, so go and see what happens. Go for a ride and wait till it gets dark. Nice and bright looking. Hey, the fan turned on too. It's not overheating. But you know something? It's still not catching the top of the trees like I see with my eyes. Oh no, it's already dark. Okay. Yeah. That's the old high beam. You guys can see how dim that is. That's new lights. That's nothing. You can see the camera shows it nice and bright for the first few seconds, then my camera's dimming out. But I mean, these lights are amazing how bright they are. Try one more time. Try driving a little bit more here. Into the video because the picture actually shows how bright it really is. And somewhere over here, her cell phone fell out of her pocket. She thinks it happened on this corner here. This case, this flashlight is a Lumitop quad light. No, it's mine. I don't want you to have my flashlight. Don't worry, the witches won't get you. I turned around just after that bump there. Did it fall into here maybe? In between the seat. Skid plate. right? Gotta figure out where the cell phone went. Well, I'll turn this off for now. But that shows how bright those headlights are right there on the quad. Well, these are bright headlights on this quad. Wow, are those bright headlights? Yeah, that's almost like that's as bright as an LED light bar. Any damage on the phone?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Was it still recording? Oh, is it scratched there?
Yeah.
So it got ran over?
No. It's just mud.
Oh, okay.
It's definitely dead though. It knocked the battery loose.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at the corner, there's banged a little bit up.
Well, no kidding. It bounced off into the bush.
Well, yeah, it probably got ran over too.
No.
Hey, the fan's working now. The fans are guaranteed working on it. These headlights are all loose and floppy, so that a little bit of heat, but not much. Okay, let's go. Nice bright headlights. Wow, is that bright? That is actually very bright. That is crazy. Those headlights are way brighter than my truck, that's for sure. Well, turn that off. Turn off my headlight or tail lights. And there we go. Whew. Beautiful night for doing that. That door is latched, right?